Hello guys, this is part 2. So the bracket, it goes right here, right? That's the bracket. There will be one 10mm right there. There's another one right there. You gotta move up the AC compressor. Once you put it in, make sure lift it up so it's easy to go in these 2 bolts. And there's 13mm right in this hole. There's another one in that hole right there. And so you put this in, the bracket in, and you can mount this thing. There's 2 bolts, one in this side, 3 total, right? Make sure you remove this plug. It's on the way, you know, just remove that. And then you put it back in right here. 1, there's 2 right there. There's 2 holes right there. Okay, put this in, and then you mount the compressor. There's 2 bolts right here. You see it? 1, there's another one right there, and 1 will be on the top. And it's just simple. Just put it back in and tight it up, and then you plug this, plug it back, and connect the 2 lines. One goes from here to all the way to the hole right there, and then another one is right here. Another one is right there. You can use extension and just put it back in. That's it. That's how you change AC compressor on 2013 Ford CMax. So simple.